So hello guys, if you're having any friends of yours in a group, you can just call them and then we can start the session as well. Anyways, we'll be starting in 2 minutes. So if you're having your friends also in the group, so you can just just connect with them once. Yep, great. So guys, let's start our session of today. As everyone know, this is a VAPT session and we'll be going with a demo session today. I will be driving you through how our whole journey will be looking like, what we'll be going to learn. And first of all, I'll be starting with my introduction. So, hello everyone, I am Rudransh. I have worked actually as an, cybersecurity professionals, helped multiple companies doing VAPT and trained more than 50K students till yet about how VAPT works, how the red teaming actually works. Okay, so it will be amazing journey throughout the session, throughout the journey. We will be like a friends. Will be not. I'll be not like your trainer or something like. You will be thinking that okay, I'm a teacher, so it will be not like that. So I'll be like your friend, and we'll be going to learn together so many things. Okay, so before starting, I would like to know a quick introduction of all of you. We'll start with Hemant. Yeah, please, Hemant, go ahead. Just quick introduction from where you are, what you're doing, and your name. Yeah,
Hi, I'm Hemant. I'm working as a performance test consultant in one of the insurance company. Yeah, basically my background completely into performance. It's a kind of a value add for me to learn security testing. Yeah, just want to start career with this. That's my aim. And I am from the United Kingdom, London.
great, Hemant. Nice to have you in the session. Yes, we'll go with and I'd like to know about Sujit Kumar. Yes, Sujit Kumar, can you just introduce us with the two lines?
Hey, hi, Rudran. Suchit here. So, I'm from Pune, and last designation I was working as a quality assurance manager and worked on performance and functional automation both sides. Overall, yeah, this is my introduction about. And as for looking out, I think is VAPT testing. It's to add on skill set. That's the sole purpose to get enrolled into this course. Yeah.
Great, Sujit. Nice to have you. Nice. Yep. Rekha, can you just introduce yourself?
Hi, Rudransh. So I'm Rekha. I'm from Kerala, but I'm working in Coimbatore. I am also working as a QA, software test engineer. So I have around 6 years of experience in QA. So I wanted to switch my career to cybersecurity. So that's how I landed here. Yeah, looking forward to the course. Yeah, thank you.
Great, great. Nice, Rekha. Nice to have you. Most of the people we are having QA testers, right? That's great. That's great. Means most of you generally know about how the testing and how it works. So it will be very easy for you guys whole the journey because we'll be doing a VAPT, means vulnerability analysis and penetration testing. Yeah, we'll be having cybersecurity also in the syllabus, but it will be more easy for you because you're already from the testing background. Nice, great. Yes. I'm Yaha Yahaya. Yeah, I'm if I'm not pronouncing you wrong.
Hello, I am Yahya Ahmad Bura
Yeah,
from Nigeria, a
great.
student of cybersecurity who want to recently write conscious security course.
Nice, nice, nice to have you. Nice to have you. Yes, Rajendra, a quick two lines introduction, please. Hello. Yes, Rajendra, can you just give us a two lines of introduction, please? Guys, if you're not comfortable in opening a mic, so it's totally okay. Okay, no worries. We can move with Amira. Yes, Amira, please. Can you just introduce her? Everyone, am I audible to everyone? Is it something related to my network issue?
No,
Others are
you're
No,
audible
you're
perfectly.
audible.
yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, Amira, can you just introduce yourself? Just two lines about yourself. It's about we are knowing and we will be. I like to be a session interactive, so it will be like we'll be learning. You can ask me questions in the middle of session. I don't have a problem about it. So it will be like we continuously learning and uh, connecting with each other. So that will be good. If you can't open your mic, that's okay. Uh, Krishna, can you just introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm Krishna. I'm working as a QA lead. I have like an year of experience, so I'm looking to join this session.
Nice, nice,
Thank you.
nice, Krishna. Nice to have you. Yes, Megha.
Hello, good evening. I'm Megha. I'm from Jammu and brought up to Delhi to pursue my studies, and I'm currently doing my degree from DPG Degree College, and I'm doing BCA.
Great, great. Nice, nice, nice to have you, Megha. Yes, Alan, can you just introduce yourself?
Hi, everybody. I'm Alan. I'm a DevOps and cloud engineer. I'm very excited to learn about vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, and I'm hoping that it will add more to my understanding.
Nice, Alan, nice. The only purpose of having introduction of you all is we'll be having a journey together. Okay, whether you will be, going with the course if you're liking it. So it's okay when we have an, interaction with it as we talk with like a friends. So it will be easy for us to understand. Comparatively, when we understand as a, I'm a trainer, then you are getting training. So it will be like difficult when it go with the friend to friend understanding. It's very very easy. You may have observed this thing, and I have observed one notice. I have noticed one thing that most of the people are from the testing background, and that's really great for you guys. This will be advancing this course will be advancing you, okay, in your testing performance, or it will be helping you in the cybersecurity background, okay, to get into the cybersecurity. It will be very great for you. And the people who are from the scratch, who are not from the not a testing background, nothing related to the IT, for those people also this is very good. Okay, why it is good, why I'm saying like that, we'll be going to learn in this today's demo session. Okay, so let's start our today's journey, guys. The only request I'm having from you guys is for today's session only that first we'll be completing our whole session. Okay, whatever questions you are having, you can just note it down. And in the last 15 minutes, I'll be allowing you. Then you can ask me question one by one after raising your hand. If you're having question, you can just raise your hand. Then you can unmute yourself. I'll calling your name. You can ask me the question so that everyone questions will be answered and it will be going with a smooth interaction. Okay. So let's start, guys. In this session, I'll be walking you through the syllabus. I hope you have gone with the syllabus as well. And also, I'll be showing you what actually a VAPT will be going to learn. Okay. How actually we'll be going to do a testing, how our operating systems will be looking, how our labs will be looking. Okay. So let's start, guys. So as you can see the screen, it shows is VAPT a good career choice in 2025? Okay, why 2025? You may be thinking 2025 is ending. So why 2025? So it is about when 2025 will be ending, you will be going with the course, you will be entering 2026. Then is it a good career choice? Is it you making a nice choice while selecting as a VAPT? And what you are going to get in this course, or what learnings, what skills you will be having, what jobs you can apply, right? So all these things will be going to have in today's session. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I would like to know how many of you think that hacking is illegal? The first thing you came in your mind when I say hacking, a hacker. So what do you think, guys? Anyone can reply me? Yes. You can reply me in the chat section as well. Yep. Yeah. Anyone? No? Okay. So I'll reply myself. Okay. So when I was new, okay, I may be thinking that okay, hacking is something, I'll be hacking someone's mobile phone, I'll be hacking someone's system, I'll be taking full control, right? So as a beginner, everyone thinks like that. Okay. And what the thing, guys, hacking is not only a illegal type, or most of the people in the nowadays, or if you go 5 or 6 years back, people think hacking is something illegal. Okay, but it's not an illegal, guys. Okay, I like to tell you, hacking is a cybersecurity or ethical hacking is a field where people are making dollars and thousands and millions and dollars. Why? Because companies are very fond and very protective about their data. Okay. You people are working in the company, or maybe just take your example, guys. Okay. We are not company. Okay. We are not, but our data is our privacy, right? Will you be thinking that, okay, I'll compromise my data? Anyone will think like that? Any one of you will be thinking that, okay, I'll compromise data. I will let anyone to see my data or use my data. Will it be okay with anyone? Yes? Guys, you can answer yes, no,
No,
please.
no,
No,
Yeah,
I
no, no.
correct, correct. No, no one, it will be, right? So, guys, how the companies, right? Like if you're signing into the, let's take an example of Amazon. They are having your login credential, they are having your data. That time, that Amazon has the responsibility to protect your data, right? Data means you're not uploading photos, you're not uploading contacts, but it's having some detail about you, your name, your email address, your phone number. It's a data, right? So how Amazon is responsible? Amazon is responsible to protect your data, right? So they are storing their data somewhere. To protect that data, what they need? They need cybersecurity people, guys. Okay. And how important that data is, you just imagine. Uh, just take an example. If you ever got a news that Amazon's data got leaked, millions of users' data got leaked, what will be the image you will be having of the Amazon in your mind? Nothing. Will you be trusting it again? You will think twice, thrice before trusting it. You will be thinking multiple times without for making the payment, right? So this is what a reputation. It's in the market. And to protect that reputation, we are having cybersecurity professionals. And who steal that data? The data steals by the hackers. Okay, that is a hacking, or we call a malicious hacking. Okay, which exploits vulnerability for illegal purposes. Okay, guys, this session will be going to be some practical also. I'll be going to show you some tools like you can say I'll be showing you some things like you may have seen in the movies, right? That code is running in the background and hacker is doing hacking. Yeah, so you'll be getting to see that also, but in the end of the session. Okay, right now I'll just explain you something which is very important as a basic thing. Like you should be knowing like what you are going to get. Okay, so it will be like that. Okay, so hacking, ethical hacking is something which is a protector, you can say. As I said, that Amazon is one company whose data may get leaked or may get hacked by the malicious hacking or a malicious hacker or a bad hacker. But there are the good hackers also, whom we call ethical hackers or ethical hacking, which we call it's a legal, and it aims to improve the security. Why? Because these hackers are hired by the company with the same skill set of the malicious hacker. That okay, if you are having this skill set, we are also having a hacker who is good in a person whom Amazon is going to pay, and that person will be protecting Amazon from this kind of malicious hacker or malicious attack, from which the data of the company should not get loose. And if the data will be not getting loose, that company will be building a trust among their customers. Okay, and that's how the company runs, guys. Right? They runs on the reputation. And if you are the protector of the reputation, you just imagine what will be the I'll be telling you in the upcoming slide that what are the salaries. But if you're protecting the reputation, because of you the reputation is protected and the company is running smoothly, companies are, they are ready to pay you whatever you say. Just the thing is you meet their requirement of the skills. Okay, that's what the difference between hacking, a malicious hacking or ethical hacking. Malicious hacking, the attacker attacks, steals the data. Ethical hackers protects the attack and safeguards the data, okay, of the company. Okay, it can be any company. Okay, now let's see next thing. So you may have heard about like vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, right? This is what our course is all about. Okay, so I'll give you an just easy example of it. Just imagine one company is having just established. Okay, just company has got established. Okay, so company is not having that much security. They don't know how good their security is. Okay, so what they do, they go with an hiring or getting an project to the VAPT person who's a VAPT expert. Okay, so they will be saying that, okay, can you please do this thing, or you can just try to find out any kind of weakness our company is having. Okay, with your skills, because that person has learned a VAPT, right? So that weakness means vulnerability. Okay, and vulnerability assessment is like a checking up that security, that whether the security is good or not. Okay, you don't need to write a codes, you don't have to learn so many languages. That's the good part about cybersecurity, guys. Okay, you don't need multiple languages to learn. It's just that simple. If you'll be having tools, automated tools to scan, you just need to learn those tools and the methodologies that tool is running on. Okay, you'll be learning that. That will be the thing you'll be having an skill set about, and you'll be getting placements, projects, or whatever the company is having requirement about. Okay, so this vulnerability assessment, nothing but an finding out the weakness of the target, whether it's a company device. Okay, finding out the weakness of it, and that's what comes. The next part is penetration testing. Okay, after you find the weakness, then comes the penetration testing, in which a hacker or ethical hacker tries to break into that vulnerability. Using that vulnerability, the hacker tries to hack that this VAPT person. Okay, that's what we call a penetration testing. Okay, for example, if you are having one house, it's having vulnerability, like it's having weakness that your back back door, your door, backside door is vulnerable. It's not having that much locks as compared to your front door. So as an VAPT person, I'll find out that, okay, your house is having weakness in the back door. And when I enter your house, that is a penetration testing, guys. Okay. So that is what a vulnerability assessment and penetration testing is. Finding out the weakness in the company website or a server or a device, and using that weakness, you are entering into that company, okay, the server, that website, hacking it legally while taking the permission. Then you will be making a report of it and submitting to the company that, okay, this is what a weakness you are having. Just fix it and they'll pay you for that. That's that simple. Nothing else. Okay. It's very, very simple, guys. If you go with it, it's so simple. You will be just have to, work on your skills. If you follow whatever I'll say from the day one, I'll assure you that after the end of the session, you'll be able to do whatever the skill set has been guaranteed in this session. Okay. So that's what a vulnerability assessment and penetration testing is: finding out the weakness, getting into the website or the server and reporting it. So all these things, is it something like, okay, I want to do a VAPT on the Amazon, so I can do it. I want to do a VAPT on Netflix, I can do it. No, it's not like that. They give a legal consent to us. Okay. That is what matters. Okay. We will be having a legal permission from them. Then only we can perform this. So that's why what we do is we have a special labs to do it. Okay. So this is who is this course for? We are having multiple things. We are having multiple slides for this. Okay. We'll be going to one by one. But just now, I'd like you to move instead of slides. I'd like you to move to show you how actually practically hacking you will be going to ethical hacking you will be going to learn, a VAPT you will be going to learn, lab environment you will be getting to, okay, and the syllabus you will be going to learn. Okay, whatever you are going to learn. I hope everyone has gone with the syllabus, but it's my duty to show you like what you are going to learn in this and what skills you will be acquiring, right? So approx hours also it will be mentioned there. Okay, you can just go with it. I like to share my screen. Just a second. First, I'll walk you through the labs, guys. Okay, how the lab will be, how everything will be doing in isolation, right? And why we are doing all this thing in the isolation, guys. Okay, because see, doing without a permission, any type of, whether you are having a good intention, you have to secure the company. But the thing is, if you are doing it without permission, it's not legal, right? But we have to learn things, and doing a VAPT takes a time, right? We can't go and 1 hour. Okay, so how it works, we have developed a lab for it. Okay, so this is one lab. I've given you example for it. Okay, as you see in the screen, I have just installed for now the two machines. So this will be your playground. Okay, here we'll be learning everything. Okay, so this is my attacker system. As you can see, the here it is written as Kali, and it is my target system. Okay, system server, where it has written metasploitable 2. Okay, when I go to the Kali and just click on the show, my operating system boots up. Yes, you will be going to learn in this session, in this course, that how to configure whole operating system into your own system. You don't need to purchase a different computer for that. You will be having only one computer. In your computer only, we will be installing multiple operating system without harming your data. Okay, so your data should be not get harmed. That's why we are installing it and setting up an isolated lab. Okay, which will be not troubling anyone, and we'll be going to learn VAPT in ethical way. Okay, so this is what a playground, a lab will be looking like. We'll be having multiple operating system, but just for now, you will be not get confused. That's why I have shown you only two things, that this is one operating system. This is one operating system. Most of the people have been familiar with the Kali also, I think, but this is how it will be working, guys. Okay. Next, if I click on the show, my Kali Linux will be starting. As you can see, it's running right now. So for that, I'll need to share my screen of Kali Linux. Just allow me a moment. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I hope it's visible, everyone. Everyone, are you able to see Kali on your screen?
Hello. Yes, yes, we are seeing.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Yep. Okay, so I'll log in using it's very simple. It's nothing like I'll be running multiple codes and multiple things will be going on. It will be not like that. I'll be showing you in a very easy way. See, cybersecurity is the best career choice, guys. If my personal suggestion for you, you go, you learn from anywhere. That doesn't matter. But the thing is, I should be advising you something you will be getting a help of. Okay. I'm not doing it for the any kind of promotion or something. But from my end, I feel like you guys are all, you have introduced yourself, your backgrounds are good. I feel like if you're going with the cybersecurity, you are making already made a nice choice already. Okay. So guys, this is an operating system, okay, of Linux on which we'll be going or spending most of our time on. Okay. So when you open this operating system, you'll be able to see multiple things. And if you go on apps, you'll be able to see reconnaissance tools, you know, hacking tools, password cracking tools, then forensic tools, execution tools, initial access tools. And this is not enough here. Okay. If you click on this app, you'll be having more other tools like this. So all this will be good. You will be having it in your system as well. Okay. It's nothing that I'm having and I'm not going to give you. Okay. So you will be having it. Okay. Everyone who will be going with the course, you will be having everything of it. And I'll be showing you how to install it, how to run it. And these are all the tools, guys. Okay. All the tools available into this operating system. Okay. You know, multiple things are there, multiple tools, crazy tools are there. Even if I give you an example, you can just intercept something. Okay, see, this is one tool I'll like to talk about, my personal favorite. It's a burp suit. Okay, using this tool, I can intercept literally the traffic which is going from my system to the server. Isn't it cool? Right? Like if I'm logging in the Amazon, I can capture it in the between. I can change my credential in the between, and it will be going there. Right? It's very cool, right? And we can do multiple stuff using these tools. So there are multiple tools, multiple things in this operating system. And the most of thing you may be thinking, guys, that how the hacking is, how hacking actually works. There will be a terminal and I'll be using multiple codes in the night wearing a hoodie, right? And I'll be typing codes and multiple things are going on. You may be thinking, see, this is a terminal. Don't worry, don't fear everyone. It's just a simple thing. I'll be showing you how the Hollywood, like if you have seen in the movies, Hollywood, Bollywood, how it looks like. Okay. Just give me a second. Oh, I'll need to become a root. Hmm, I think I need to install it. Oh, am I connected to internet on this machine? Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, I'm connected to internet. So, don't know why it's not working. Oh, it's saying to run. Yeah, that's what very funny thing about the terminal, guys. Everyone fears that, okay, why this command is not there, why it's not. You see, it is showing that could not find command, no means found database. So you can run apt update. So this is very fun about the Kali Linux. If you are having error of something, it will be showing you in the terminal only. You can just use this command. This is a command, guys. It's terminal itself giving you the command. See, if I just update my system once, it will be running, but it takes a time. Okay, so we'll skip it for now. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a simulation, like how actually, that pictures or movies show you that hacking is going on. Okay, so it is something like that. But okay, maybe because update is not done, that's why it's working like that. So as you can see, it is going to get update, then it will run this command. Okay, so guys, this is something a hacking will be something like. But most of the thing, if I give you some easy thing, how hacking actually shows into the movies. So just give me a give- okay. Okay, it's done. Nice. Great. Okay. Here already my update is going on. Yeah. So see, this is you will be thinking that okay, something is going on. The things are running, multiple things on the background is running, the codes are running, executing in the background. If I go with something like this tool will be running something, and network sniffing, or I can show you like what is going on into my network. So this is the tools which can be used to see what is going on in my network. If I open this, you will be able to see this some codes are running in the background, some IPs are going to fetching it, right? Some cryptography, some encoding is going on, some encryption is going on. So what it is, it's if I give you a simple example, guys, this is actually very easy. It's nothing. If you go step by step, if you learn networking, whatever the syllabus this course is having, if you go with it, you can use all these tools. It's very, very easy. It's nothing something hard. You may be thinking that, okay, something is going on, IP is going on, some packages are getting captured, source IP is there, destination IP is there, protocol has been used, time has been used. See, the data is getting encrypted. So these tools you will be going to learn, and believe me, guys, it's way more easy what is shown in this. Okay, movies also show hackers are something a different species only. It's not like that. It's very, very easy, and everyone can learn hacking, guys. The only thing is how much dedication you are having, how much interest you are having, okay, to learn and hacking or to learn VAPT. Okay, VAPT is an hacker only, a good hacker only. Okay, but the thing is only VAPT mostly focus on the company level things, or most hackers are, they are multi-talented. They can go with anything. Like hacker can go with a forensic, hacker can go with a company security. So multiple things are there. Even a VAPT, this course is designed in such a way you will be going to learn some advanced thing more than VAPT. So it will be helping you to get multiple roles in the company. Okay. So as it getting, downloaded, it's getting updated, guys. It may take a time. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our PPT, where I'll be showing you how actually, sorry, how actually the roles you'll be having, what course you'll be, what syllabus you'll be having in this course. Okay. And what things all you'll be going to learn. Okay. A step by step. Okay. So this is a system, guys, we'll be working mostly on. Okay. And most of the tools, they are automated. Like we just need to know the tools. We just need to know how the tool works. Okay. And if you go in my explanation type, how I do is this is a tool. Okay. So this is a nmap. This is a tool. If I show you graphical way, you just open an app. See, this is a tool, nmap. Okay, so I'll be showing you graphical and then step-by-step process how actually tool works, what it do that it gets so much information. Okay, I believe in that kind of thing. Okay, so even the basic, even the beginner, and even the if you are having a most experience in the testing, it will be clearing your basics also, and also it will be after the basics. When I go with the advanced, you will be clearing your advanced and you will be learning a new skills as well. Okay. So guys, any question for this operating system? Just quick questions I'll be having for now. Then we'll be moving with the syllabus and what roles you can have after this course. Any questions you are having till now?
Rudransh, one quick question. This is Sujit here.
Yeah, Sujit, please go ahead.
Uh, Kali Linux, if you see, we need additional permission to have installed in the corporate environment, right? That is
Right,
what mandatory.
right.
Without that, it is illegal to. And if it is not permissible, are there any alternatives that we can continue with the VAPT testing?
See, yeah, there are the multiple alternatives. There are the tools we can install in the Windows as well. Okay, we can download and configure in the Windows as well. Okay, so like we are having tools like Nasus, OpenVAS. Okay, so these tools are also there. But Kali Linux is something, it mostly depends on the company's policy. What I have seen is when I go for the VAPT in some company, they are having their own tools as well, right?
Mhm.
They can have their own tool. So like most of the time it happens that okay, the company is having their own tool. The tool is not there in the open source. It's not open sourcely available. They self have developed their tool for their own purpose, their own security. So they'll not make it
Okay.
secure, public, right? They're not making it open source, right? So other hackers will also get information that how the tool works, right? So they don't make it
Right.
person. So basically, you will be having a methodology also here. Like if the tool, that's what I said, like tool is running. So how it's running, how it's getting that data, how it's getting that information, how that tool is providing us that much information, that also you'll be getting to learn. In short, you will be getting to learn a methodology as well. Okay.
Okay.
That will be helping you a lot. Whether you go with any tool, there is, of course, we'll be learning a tool. But what if the course is completed and after 2 months you got a new tool in the market? Then, but so that's why to tackle this situation, I mostly focus on the methodology as well. Why? Because if new tool came in the market, then you don't have to go again and purchase any course and learn again, and you should be not going from that thing. That's why uh, I mostly prefer this kind of things.
Okay. Because I did some experiment on the Kali Linux and my organization opted
Mm-hmm.
not to install it. That's the reason I was looking for the alternatives. But of course, it
Uh-huh.
is if it is the limited to the web applications, of course, possible to have the other substitute on Windows operating system,
Mm-hmm.
but not the full fledged. That I feel so.
Yeah. It's completely true. See, but the thing is, whenever you will be learning this, whenever you will be executing this, all the commands or a Kali Linux, right? So you will be having your own system. First, you will be learning in your system. You will be learning most of the things. Then you can ask to the company that whether we can do a testing on the Kali Linux or they are having their own operating system to do so. Okay. But
Oh,
anyways, methodology will be the same. The only thing is little bit difference, 19-20 difference it will be. It can happen in any company according to the company's policy. Okay.
okay. One another question about the VAPT.
Mhm.
It's if we are talking about VAPT, so are we focusing on you know the ISO reference model? So are we focusing on the entire layer structure, or it will be like the first two or three such layers that we'll be focusing on?
Like whether are you asking whether we are going to do a web application penetration testing only,
So
or
no,
we
no,
are
it's a see if you know the ISO reference model, right? It starts with the uh, transport layer. It has presentation, then transport, then session, then
right?
mm,
Yes.
network. Yeah,
OSI model with the TCP
yeah,
IP model
OSM
as
model.
well. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
You'll be learning OSI TCP IP model as well. And on each layer, how the attack happens and how to terminate that attack, how to mitigate that attack, how to be secure, and also, how the attack happens on each layer. You will be going to learn on the all layers. Yes, not only
Okay.
one layer. Yeah,
Thanks, Rudra.
Yeah,
most welcome.
yeah, Rudresh,
Uh,
one question actually.
yeah, sure. You can go ahead.
Yeah, just two questions. One question is, I mean, what are the tools, other tools you're going to continue in this course, like a
Mhm,
buff suit and NMON, like a network level detections,
mhm.
JetMount, these kind of things. And is there any coding knowledge required to learn this Kali Linux? I'm not sure actually. I'm not into complete coding background. That's one question.
If I be with a true you don't need to require any kind of coding knowledge. That's what a good thing about cybersecurity. Even if you don't know Python, that's also good because some we are having some Python tools, but I give you that knowledge when we are going to use that tool. Some basic thing I clear. that, okay, this is how the Python works and this is how the tool works. Okay. And as you asked, one more question you have asked, what it was?
Coding knowledge, yeah. I mean, the studying and tools, about the tools, Nmon and Bubsuit and these kind of
Mm-hmm.
tools also. Are you covering
Yeah.
those ones?
Yeah. So see, what the thing is, see, if I'm going to give you knowledge about reconnaissance, let's say we are learning reconnaissance. So there is subtopics are four, but the tools are using we are having for reconnaissance only, we are having more than 10 to 15 tools. Then we move to the scanning. Then we have 4 to 5, then 15. Multiple tools are there. Okay. So each step you'll be having, encountering and learning a new tool. Okay. When you go with the vulnerability assessment module, you will be having a new tools. Then penetration testing, you will be having a new tools. And the most important thing, if we are moving ahead, that first we done with the reconnaissance, then we go with the scanning. It's not like, okay, the tool we have used in the reconnaissance, it's done now, we'll be not using it again. It's not like that. When you're done with the reconnaissance, in the scanning also you will be using those tools as well, which we have used in the reconnaissance, so that your practice, your learning will be not get faded. Okay. So till the penetration testings, we'll be using multiple tools. Okay.
Okay, yeah, got
Yes.
it.
Yeah, great. And guys, the roles you can apply after it, I'll be showing you in the end. And the thing I want to show you here is a bonus topic, guys. Okay. So bonus topic, as everyone know, it will be like 50 hours of course. Okay. It can vary. It has approx 1 month to 1 week. Okay. It can vary. And the bonus topics you will be getting covered here is a bug bounty tools, CTF, your resume building, and your mock interviews, guys. Everything. This is a bonus tips, bonus topics from me to you. Okay. It's you will be having some extra rather than syllabus. Okay. So in which you'll be having a you know big knowledge about how actually bug bounty works, how the CTF works, capture the flag, and how you can build your resume in current job market so you can get a proper job, and also your mock interviews which will be helping you that how actually interviews goes and what kind of questions you have to face. Okay, so you can get prepared for the interviews as well. Okay, then the syllabus, may I think most of you have gone with it. We are having we cloud penetration testings as well, then network penetration testing, what is DDoS and DOS attacks, how the firewall works also. Some critical topics are there, guys. Like, you may have not seen these kind of things in most of the courses. Why? Because these are the things people generally include in advanced levels of thing. So we are having this advanced for you. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you're having question? Anyone? Yeah, Alan, please go ahead.
Yes, I can see that you browsing through the syllabus, but I haven't had a chance to go through it or see it, and I'm asking that if we could go through the whole syllabus from top to bottom so that I can get a picture of all the topics that we're doing.
Yeah, sure. I'll go it once again, and also I'll share it with you. Okay. I think it's
Okay, thanks.
when you are enrolling, I think there is also the syllabus is there, so no worries about it. I'll scroll it once again, but I'll like you to give you some what kind of roles you will be having after this courses. Like, you can apply for these are the all roles you can apply for. Okay, after the course, like for the security consultant, ethical hacker, vulnerability analyst, penetration tester, cybersecurity analyst, incident responder, red team operator, security auditor. This kind of roles you can apply, and there are hundreds of other roles are available, which is company developed. The only thing is your skill set, whatever you will be learning from it, it will be matching to your requirement of the company. That's the only thing. Okay. So it I have also mentioned in basic payout, it's least, guys. Okay, at least I'm saying at least people earn this much. Okay, so this kind of thing you will be having in your this kind of roles you can apply for, and the basic payouts I have mentioned here for the India and as per the United States, and for the Europe it's more. It's more than that in the UK as well. Okay, so this is a basic payouts, guys. I'll also share this PDF with you in which you can go one by one. You can see it in your pace as well. Okay. Then why this course choose? I have mentioned that as well. Why? I think, guys, I don't be doing like a marketing it like that, but a very frank thing. There are the jobs for cybersecurity. You may have seen. That's why you people are here, right? So this kind of things are already available on the portals, job portals. You can just search on it. I'll not say from my side. You go by yourself. You try to search, because we purchase things after we get belief that okay, this is what I need. Okay, but this is are some stats I have gathered, and this is what actually a job market is all about in the cybersecurity or VAPT. I'll share this PDF. You can go with the PDF as well. You can search yourself as well that what is the requirement in the VAPT, what is the requirements in the cybersecurity. Then you can go ahead, guys. You can take your call. Okay. And yes, Alan, you are asking for the syllabus scroll. Just give me a second. Yeah. So this is the syllabus, Alan. We'll be going with introduction to VAPT. We'll be learning how the VAPT, what is the job market, how actually works, which we have just gone through today. Okay. Then what are job roles you can apply, what you'll be going to learn in this course. Then networking, you'll be going with this all things, how the network works, what are the OSI. I start with the scratch, guys. So even the people who are new, they can understand. Okay. Then we are having a lab setup, how to set up your lab. Okay. Then how the Linux works with step by step, with a single walkthrough, like how to set up and how the settings works as well. Okay. You will be not like, okay, something new has occurred and how I can do it. It will be not like that for you. Then for the reconnaissance we are having, you'll be learning reconnaissance. These are the subtopics. I'll not say these are the topics. This is a module, this is a topic. In this also there are multiple subtopics. Okay. Then scanning we are having this, then enumeration, vulnerability assessment, system penetration testing, web application penetration testing, Android penetration testing, cloud penetration testing, something interesting you may have seen here. Okay, this is also required a setup of the lab. We'll be doing this thing also. And even if you don't know about the cloud, don't worry. We'll be having introduction of a cloud, how it works. Then we'll be moving with the cloud penetration testing. Okay. Then network penetration testing, DDoS, DOS attack, firewall. Then again the bonus concept what I have told you. Okay. So approx it's about 2 months and 1 week, total 50 hours. Covers we are covering 15 modules. I have not counted a bonus one. Okay. We are covering a 15 modules. Bonus, this is something you'll be getting in advance. Okay. And I think ma'am will be contacting you when you can get this bonus. Okay. There is some time limit set it for it. Okay. Then you can connect with her. She'll be guiding you through it. Okay. Yeah. Any more questions, guys, from your end? I'm done from mine. If
Yeah,
you're having
Rudransh,
any
one
question.
quick question.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
So, if I wanted to be a professional in security specialist, is there any
Mhm.
certification that gives the add-on to this curriculum? Because of course, I'm knowing it. It doesn't mean that I'm certified professional, right?
Right. See, the thing is, first I'll need to know like what thing you are more interested in it. Like if you are good in like a web application. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for that we are having different certification in the
Okay.
cybersecurity. There are multiple certifications, international bodies. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, uh, what thing you are good in, that matters. Okay. In this
Okay.
cybersecurity also, there are multiple domains, as I told you, that jobs you can apply for, right?
Mm-hmm.
So once I get to know, then only I can recommend you. Or it should be not like, okay, I have recommended, you have done it, and it's not working for you. Okay.
I would like to address one thing because currently, if you know the ages, right? Now, currently, we are into the information age where the performance and the security data,
Mhm.
we are dealing with a huge amount of data. That's
Right.
the major part. Either it is showing on a web application, mobile application, or any other mode of information that being displayed. But
Right.
security tends to be there
Yes.
always.
Correct. Yep.
So if I wanted to be a professional in security, so how would I like proceed further or something? Yeah, it's more of the data that's I'm focusing on.
Yeah, completely understanding. See, if you ask me, what you can do is, see, this course, whatever I have shown you, if you have gone, if you have noticed it, I'm starting with the networking. So if you go
Right.
with this course, you'll be clearing all your basics. You'll be getting an knowledge of how the penetration testing works. You can perform the penetration testing. Then you will find a way that, are you able to interest in a web application? Are you good with the system? Are you good with the network? Or are you good with the Android or a software or a cloud? Okay.
Mhm.
Then you can discover your way. Then you can, or even I can understand that, okay, Sujit is good in this because the projects we are having after, yeah, that's also I forgot to tell you guys. After each module, you'll be having one project. Okay.
Okay,
Then you can
that's
complete
great.
it.
Yes.
Yeah, after each module, you will be having one project. You will be completing that project. Then we'll moving with the next module. Okay, that will be thing for you. Yeah. That's also a bonus thing I have included. And yeah, so after completing this, no, you will be having an self-analyze that, okay, I'm good in this, or even I can say that, okay, Sujit, you're good in cloud, so go in a cloud testing. Okay,
Mhm.
that time I can recommend that, okay, this certificate you can go with for a cloud testing, whether it's of any like international body, doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, guys, any other question? Anyone?
So what is the starting salary of penetration testers?
Mega, your background voice was there. I was not able to get you. Can you just repeat yourself once?
So I'm asking that what is the starting salary of penetration testing testers?
Penetration tester starting salary in India
Yes,
or out of India?
sir, in India and out of India.
In India.
In
Oh,
what
okay.
places?
So yeah. So if you go with an starting salary, so see, it basically starts with 5 LPA. Okay. If any
Okay.
VAPT, if I say, okay. But how it works, it depends on company to company. If company is good, if you are matching those skills, then it will be a high jump for you. But if I be a very frank with you, in India, when it starts, it will start with 5 LPA, then you will moving ahead. In a 1 year only, you can jump to the 8 LPA or 10 LPA, according to skill you will be developing.
Sir, and in other countries, what is the starting salary?
Other countries are totally dependent. See, other countries are having work environment completely different from India. Okay,
Yes.
so
Okay.
in, yeah, so it's more, if you go with the Indian currency there, so it will be double
Mm.
for the first job as
Okay.
a fresher. Okay, near
Okay.
about to double, if I say. And work environment is very cool. I've been through it. I have worked with some people, so their work environment is very cool and very, I must say that, very cool. Okay, it
Okay.
feels like, okay, you have to work. You feel like, okay, I want to work more. It's like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Guys, I think that's it for today. I think we have spent more than 1 hour in our demo session, and we'll be meeting again
Yeah.
in tomorrow's session. If you have any questions, please drop your message on the WhatsApp. From today onwards, I'll be completely active on the WhatsApp. Ask any question. I am there. Just tag me with the question. You'll be having a reply. Okay. For anyone having any quick question, you can just message me WhatsApp as well. Okay. Okay, that's it for today,
So
guys. Bye bye and have a great day. Or out of the India, other who are in India, you have a good night. We'll meet in tomorrow's session.
sure.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Rudraj,
Thank you,
and have
sir.
a great time ahead. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Bye, bye.